Hey guys, this is Palang, your Palanging, and welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
For today's vlog, we're going somewhere. I'm gonna do a vlog. We're going to the beach for a while because my siblings and my cousin said that the beach is nice. I mean, the ocean is nice today. And these puppies are kind of annoying, but yeah, I love them. So yeah, so we are waiting for a while for my siblings and my cousin to come back here at home because right now they just passed their module and they have to answer something for a while, so we have to wait for a couple of minutes. I think so. So yeah, you think it's your mama? Huh? That's not your mama. Just a girl. She doesn't have milk. And this too also. I don't know where's the other one. Say hi. Hi. So we're going now to the beach. Oh, they can't wait so much. Look. Here, on this side. These two doggies want to swim already. Look how beautiful the day is. So we're going now to the ocean. I can't wait. So I wanted to go to the beach so much. So guys, we're here for a moment at our relative's house, our grandma, one of our grandma, because we're waiting for Marel to come here so that we're complete already. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like here. It's a very calming area. It's not like a subdivision, it's just a street, just near the road, street road. So yeah. And here's my dogs. Aww. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, Jill. Say hi. Huh? Oh, we need to get that. When it swings.
Last time we didn't get
The lice will
Oh,
magtundog mga lice.
the lice will stay there. Yeah.
Like my dog when I don't.
So this is the road,
I
street
will
road, and this is my other grandma's house. Another grandma. Yeah, she's a cute one. And there she is, laying in a hammock.
Okay.
And that's a mango tree. And this is a oh, di pomelo, ante. Pomelo, no? Ang sete, para na buongon. Pomelo, buongon in Bisaya. We have a lot of trees at the back. And hi, Andre! Say hi to my vlog. So yeah, we ate some mango here. I ate the other one's tree. We got it here from this mango tree. It's really pomelo. So we're gonna wait for Mara to come in. And there's a little dog. And there's a cute dog there. So cute. Say hi. Gitaro. So hey guys, we're going now. We're arrived at the seaport where we always swim. And on this side is kind of dirty, but this side is okay. Like as you can see. So yeah, We're going in this rock. Oh no! Yeah. So guys, we're staying here right now in a little something like, what's this, a tent that they set up here yesterday. Come on, I'm having a problem with this dog. I want to hug you. Ludoy! They will go away, Nathan. So yeah, we're staying here for a while. And look at the ocean. Wait, I wanna show you unsa ka-clean the water today. And yeah. Oh my god, my back. I can't. Ow. So I'm just gonna put all the things here. And clearly it's very clear water. Can't wait to swim. So yeah, I'm wearing a crop top that I bought online and my swimsuit that I bought on Facebook and my necklace. So here we are. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you how clear the water right now. Like, it's very nice to swim. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, this is what it looks like here. Okay, he's swimming. We're gonna swim soon. How about you? You're gonna swim, Angel? So yeah, this is what it looks like here. And we're gonna swim. Oh my god! I forgot to... But I love you. How's the swim? I'm gonna try to go down, and can you hold me? Because I'm too scared. It is slidey. I'm gonna go down and try to see if it's... Wow. Oh my god. Look how clear the water is.
They're gonna swim.
Yeah. Oh my god. So yeah, we're here swimming at the... My face is so fun. What? We have another dog with us. It's Faith's dog. Yeah, what's the name of that? What's the name of that? Oreo and Taffy? You say hi. I'm gonna swim. But first, I think I'm gonna take some photos. So I'm gonna vlog later because manglangoy na me. We're gonna swim already. And yeah, I'm gonna put back my phone in my bag so that we can swim. You know? So yeah, see you later. We're done. What are you doing there?
He's saving from water.
You're scared. No, don't.
Jump, Oreo. Jump, Oreo. Jump. Jump, Oreo. You gonna jump, Oreo.
Go jump, jump, jump.
Oreo, jump. You should.
Boy, I feel bad for... Oh, hey guys, I'm here already taking a rest because it's so hot. Init tayo. And I just want to sit down in a shed, like, yeah. There's the two dogs of white. Hi! So, I'm just gonna stay here and wait for them because I'm kinda hungry. And I'm thinking to buy some chicken. Yeah, it's for lunch. It's lunch. We didn't eat lunch yet, and it's basically, I don't know, like 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. that time. So I don't know. I'm not sure if like what time is it. But yeah, here swimming and all. So stay here for a while and wait for them. So. So we're going back home now, right? Kind of tiring, but yeah, it's fun. We love it. Walking, going home. So hey guys, I'm back now to our store, and as you can see, I'm selling right now. And yeah, I had so much fun. I enjoyed it with my siblings and cousin and with my husband. So yeah, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next vlog.